Is your Pioneer Xumo TV not turning on? Let's start with the basics. First, ensure the power cord is securely connected and test the outlet with another device. If that doesn't work, the issue likely lies within the TV's power supply. Common problems include blown capacitors or a faulty power button. Try a hard reset by unplugging the TV for 30 to 60 seconds. For standby mode glitches where the TV won't wake up, try resetting the remote pairing by holding a button for 10 seconds or unplug any connected HDMI devices. Remember, Pioneer no longer supports these models, so DIY fixes are often necessary. If basic troubleshooting fails, examine the power board for blown capacitors, a common problem in Pioneer Xumo TVs from before 2015. Use a multimeter to measure voltage at the power board. The plus 12 volts rail should show a steady reading. If capacitors are faulty, replace them using replacement kits available online. Always discharge capacitors before touching internal components to prevent electric shock. Get guidance from online forums like Reddit's Ars TV Repair and YouTube tutorials. For severe problems, consult a professional. Prevent issues by keeping the TV dust-free and unplugging during storms.